Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be playing around with the Rasha B and Just Ann palette. I love this palette. This palette we got out of the Slayglambox, or you was able to purchase just the palette from Just Ann. But I told you girl, I was going to be back to film some more looks with this palette, and it has taken me forever. So if you know me, you already know that I'm always late to everything, okay? I can't help it. It's in my DNA. I get it from my mom. I'm going to blame it on her. It's totally her fault. Always, forever, it will be her fault. I'm late to everything. She's late to everything. All right, so that's just who I am, okay? I'm just late to everything. So if you like these types of videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe before you go. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because, again, I'm random. I'm late. I can't keep up with the schedule to save my butt. But yeah, I just have some errands to go out and do today, and I figured I'm going to get on here and film a look before I go. So at least that way, like, if nothing else, I can film it right now and then just edit it later. But girl, I'm telling you, I feel like this week has been so, I don't know, hectic. Me and the kids, like, starting school back up and everything. I just feel like, I don't know, it's been a week. It's been a good week, don't get me wrong. Like, they've done really good this week starting back up. Like, the first day was that was a little touch and go, but after that we did pretty good. And I forgot to mention, I'm just using this eye primer from Shop Miss A. I love this eye primer. It does cover really nicely. It's not a tacky base. I think they do have one that's a tacky base, but I don't have that one. I was actually on there looking around, and I think I'm going to place an order soon and get some more stuff from Shop Miss A. It does take a while for shipping, but the prices are so good. And really, honestly, some of their products are really good. Like, I really like their foundation. I actually use that foundation to mix in with another foundation today. It works really good. I like it. I like the coverage on it. Just the shade isn't very good, which I should have known better. I should have ordered more than one at the time, but I didn't. So I'm also just gonna like clip my hair back. I'm gonna like clip it back, but under like that. Yeah, that'll be fine. I just cleaned all of my brushes yesterday. So I'm going to spot clean this one. I'm just going to use my little rubber mat, and I use just a little bit of hand sanitizer, and I will just kind of clean the brush, just like spot clean it, just because, like I said, I just cleaned all of my brushes yesterday, so I'm just trying to like spot clean them after I use them today, so that way I get like a couple days of, you know, like actually good clean brushes. I think that this spot cleaning works really well. Again, this is just spot cleaning because honestly, girl, I do not clean my brushes every single day. I'm just not going to do that. So see, I just clean her up really quick. And because it's hand sanitizer, it is a little wet feeling right now, but I'm going to set it inside of my container and it will be absolutely dry by tomorrow. So it won't stay wet for very long because it's hand sanitizer. It dries quick, you know. And because I have on a tie-dye shirt, I am going to be using quite a few colors out of here today. So I'm going to be using this color here. I'm going to be using this color and this one. So I'm going to be using Ribbon, Nice, Naughty. And I'm probably going to put Gingerbread in my transition area. Man, if this palette, if you was able to get this palette, it's a good palette. I love this palette. So again, I'm just going to start with Gingerbread and Transition and buff it out. I'm so excited for this month's Slay Glam, honestly. I'm still been using this palette like crazy, but I'm excited for the next one. Her formula is amazing. And I really don't have a problem too much with fallout as long as I tap my brush before I start blending it out on the eyelid. I mean, super easy to work with. Love this formula. Okay, so first I think I'm going to start off with Ribbon here. And Ribbon, I believe, is a duochrome shade, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. And another thing that I really enjoy about this palette is that even though it's like a Christmas themed palette, I mean, you could totally use this for obviously other things than just Christmas time. I mean, this hoodie that I have on right now, like, I will wear this all throughout the year. I think this palette is going to match this hoodie very well. Now I'm going to go into Nice, which is that icy blue, and I'm going to pack that right in the center. I mean, so cute. Love it. Now I'm going to grab a different brush and I'm going to go into Naughty, and I'm going to put that on the very outer corner of my lid. And I just love how pigmented these are, but they will blend together so nicely. Like when I start blending them, they're going to blend so easy, which I will show you in just a second. I love this shade too. This is a good shade. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with this first brush that I use, and I'm just going to flip it on its side, and I'm just going to start blending out. And I'm going to blend out with that light blue. I'm going to use the light blue over top of both of the, what is that, like pinky purple shade and the ice blue. Just like that. Just blend it out. Now I'm going to go back with this brush that I used on the Naughty shade, flip it sideways, and just blend back and forth. Not using a ton of pressure, just a little pressure, just to blend it out a little. I love this palette. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend into the light blue. Just so we don't have sharp lines, just blend it into the light blue. And do you see how easily they're just blending together? Now I'm going to go back with the first brush and I'm going to blend these two together a little better. If you feel like you're losing one color or another, you can always go back and add. Now I'm going to go back with the very first fluffy brush that I used for gingerbread. I'm going to add a little bit more gingerbread to it, and I'm going to run right over top of and blend all of that out. Same thing over here. Blend everything out. Blending is key. So now I'm going to take another small fluffy brush, not adding anything to it, and just blending the darker shade out. Just taking a clean brush and blending. Sometimes that's what you have to do, is just get a clean brush and blend the colors that you have there already. Go back and add anything if you need to. Ooh, I love that. I think it looks very pretty. Okay, so I did have a little bit of fallout, but nothing really. So I'm just going to take a little brush and brush it away, because honestly, barely no fallout. That palette really does great as far as fallout goes. I'm thinking for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use tinsel. So I'm just going to grab a small flat brush and put that on the inner corner. Yeah, because I want to keep it light on the inner corner. And then also the brow bone. And I'll go back with the first brush and blend. I'm really loving how this is looking. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little pencil brush and I'm going to start on the outside. And I'm going to do the dark purple blue color. I want to call it purple and then I want to call it blue. So I'll just say purple blue. I'm just going to take my little cleaner. What is this thing? I don't know what this thing's called, but it cleans your brushes. The brush cleaner. I'm going to take it and clean my brush. Of course, I'm going to go into Nice, which is the icy blue, and put that in the center. Clean my brush. And then I'm going to go into Ribbon and put that on the front part of my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to clean my brush again just to make sure I have everything off. So that way if I need to go back and blend anything, I kind of can. I love it though. Super cute. Now I am just going to curl my lashes really quick. I was debating on whether if I should put on falsies, but I'm probably not, just because I have so much stuff I have to run around and do today. I don't want to have to worry about an eyelash popping off. So usually I only ever wear false lashes like when, you know what I'm saying, it's not like a bunch of errands to do in and out, taking care of this, taking care of that, which, don't get me wrong, I've never had a problem with my eyelashes coming off or anything. They usually stay pretty well because I will put eyelash glue on the actual eyelash band, and then I will take an eyelash glue like pin and put it on my actual lid, so that way it's like glue to glue. So I don't know, I just feel like it helps like secure the edges a little more. But yeah, usually I just curl my lashes and then coat them a bunch with some mascara. If I have a bunch of stuff to go out and do, like I do today. Like literally I got probably too much to go out and do today. I gotta go out and pay some bills. I'm actually probably gonna go to my uncle's first because he wasn't able to get to my house for Christmas. So I feel like I'm just gonna run to his house first, and then I'll go take care of everything else. I also gotta go to like the grocery store today, so bunch of stuff to do. I'm just gonna use this Essence Princess Lash Mascara. I really do like this mascara a lot. I feel like this one that I have is definitely more lengthening than it is like volumizing, which I personally like both. So what I did was I ended up going back over top of the Essence Lash Princess Mascara with the L'Oreal Voluminous. I really like this one. This is the curved brush, but they also have one that's just like a straight brush, which is really nice too. But this is a good mascara. I like it a lot. And I like to layer my mascaras because I just think that they look really good. Make sure lashes look a bit fuller. Waiting on my setting spray to dry here. Okay, so let's take my hair down now, so that's done. And I almost forgot brow gel. Like, I don't know what my problem is lately, but I like keep forgetting the brow gel. I'm like, stop doing that. You need brow gel in your brows. I also want to do a lip. I don't know what lip I should do though. Should I use a Rasha B Cosmetics eyeliner? Because I love to use her eyeliner as a lip liner. Yeah, I don't know. I just do. I think it gives your lips just like a light, subtle purple shift to them, which I think will look really cute with my eyes right now. And then I think I'm going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb and put over it. Because, girl, honestly, I'm just doing a bunch of running around, grocery store, my uncle's, like, that's really all I'm doing. So I'm just wearing my, you know, tie-dye hoodie, a pair of jeans, and a pair of tennis shoes with my hair and makeup kind of fancy. I don't know, I just felt like doing it today, really. But yeah, I absolutely love how this look turned out. I think it's so pretty. I love this palette. I really have been using this thing so much. I'm so happy with this palette. It is really good. I'm probably going to be back to do another look or two with this palette because I just love using this palette so much. I just want to use it some more. So as always, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!